Semeru is a conical volcano in East Java, Indonesia. Semeru is the highest mountain on the island of Java, with a peak of Mahameru 3,676 meters above sea level. This mountain was formed due to the subduction of the Indo-Australian plate under the Eurasian plate. Mount Semeru is also the third highest volcano in Indonesia after Kerinci in Sumatra and Rinjani in Nusa Tenggara. The crater at the top of Mount Semeru is known as Jonggring Saloko. The mountain is administratively included in the area of two regencies, namely Malang Regencies and Lumajang Regencies, East Java Province. This mountain is included in the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park area. Semeru has Dipterocarp Hill Forest area, Upper Dipterocarp Forest, Mountain Forest, Ericaceous Forest, or Mountain Forest. In 1913 and 1946, Jonggring Saloko crater had a dome with a height 3,400 meters until the end of November 1973. At the top of Mount Semeru, Puncak Mahameru, climbers are advised not go to the Jonggring Saloko crater, also prohibited from climbing from the south side due to the presence of toxic gases and lava flows. This poisonous gas is known as Wedus gambel, Javanese, which means goat dreads, namely goats that have hair like dreadlocks by local residents. The temperature at the peak of Mahameru ranges from 4 to 10 degrees Celsius. At the peak of the dry season, minus 0 degrees Celsius, and ice found there. The wind is blowing hard in December to January. There are often storms. That way, Mount Semeru is the most active mountain on the island of Java. Every day, small eruptions occur in the Jonggring Saloko crater. The Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park is very worried a big eruption will happen one day, and the worst thing will be ensure enough. Unexpectedly, this mountain erupt and massive eruption that cause a massive natural disaster. And sure enough, unexpectedly, this mountain erupt and cause damage to the surrounding nature. From Tempo.co, Jakarta, Mount Semeru in East Java on December 4, 2021 experienced an eruption at around 3 in the afternoon. This volcanic eruption was accompanied by lava flows and hot clouds that damaged people's homes, the surrounding environment. According to the researchers from the University of Gadjah Mada, the eruption of Mount Semeru has two types. One, volcano hazard researchers from Gadjah Mada University, Harlan Dermawan, explained that Semeru is a stratovolcano, which is also the highest mountain on the island of Java, with a height of 3,676 meters in historical records. Semeru has erupted from 1818 to 2021. Mount Semeru eruptions are generally volcanic and strombolian as eruption, said Herlan, as quoted at Tempo.com article on Tuesday, 7 December 2021. As explained by Herlan, volcanic and strombolian eruption occur 3 to 4 times every hour. Volcanic eruptions are characterized by explosive eruption that sometimes destroy previously formed lava domes and tongues. Number 2, strombolian. Meanwhile, Wahyudi, who is also a researcher at University of Gadjah Mada, said that the eruption of Semeru was also the strombolian type, which is usually followed by the formation of lava domes and tongues, still killing the Tempo.co article that at the time of explosion there will be a flow of hot clouds. According to Wahyudi, the opening of the crater of Mount Semeru is currently leading to the southeast or upstream of Besuk Kembar, Besuk Bank, and Visit Kobokan. Mirzam said the eruption of a volcano will be caused by 3 factors. First, because the volume of the magma chamber was full. Second, because there was an avalanche in the magma chamber caused by magma crystallization. And the third was above the magma chamber. This third factor seems to have happened in Semeru, said Mirzam, as quoted by Tempo.com from itb.ac.id on Thursday, 7 December 2021. So that even though the content of the magma chamber are little that can be seen from seismic activity or can only be detected with tools, Mount Semeru can still erupt. Mount Semeru erupted after an increase in volcanic activity. The fall of hot clouds from the mountain was seen heading toward Besuk Kobokan. Head of the Center of Disaster Information and Communication of the National Disaster Management Agency (BNPB) Abdul Muhari, in his written statement Saturday 4 December 2021, he said that the Semeru hot cloud avalanche by recorded to have occurred on today 47 Indonesia time with a maximum amplitude of at 15 Western Indonesian time. He said the Gunung Sawur Volcano Observation Post (PPGA) report that the volcanic ash caused some location to darken. Until now, Semeru is still covered in fog accompanied by rain with moderate intensity. Record compiled by the Center of Volcanology and Geological Hazard Mitigation (PVMBG) saw that increased lava avalanche were observed with a sliding distance of approximately 500 to 800 meter, with the center of the fallout being approximately 500 meter below the crater. The Lumajang Regional Disaster Management Agency has issued an appeal to the community and miners not to move along with the Mujur Kobokan watersheds. In addition, the Lumajang BPDB team is also working to establish a sectoral evacuation point in Kamarkajang field. Mount Semeru is one of the active mountains in its volcanic activity. One of the phenomenal eruption occurred on December 1977. VVMBG noted that the Semeru lava avalanche at the time hot cloud of avalanche with a distance go to 10 km in Besuk Kembar. That's all I can say about the Semeru eruption at this time. I'm Abdullah Fadlan. Say thank you and see you soon.